Michael Jackson embraced a variety of food preferences, relishing Mexican dishes like enchiladas and tacos that offered comfort during his hectic recording sessions and tours. Additionally, chicken was a staple in his diet. In a similar vein, Madonna's diet was characterized by her passion for sushi, which fueled her energy during demanding tours. She also preferred egg white omelets, valued for their protein content and quick preparation. Transitioning to Prince, he favored simple meals such as spaghetti and orange juice, which became staples during his early career. His appreciation for flexible dishes like omelets catered perfectly to his fast-paced lifestyle. Meanwhile, Whitney Houston sought solace in fried chicken and chocolate, foods that evoked memories of family gatherings and offered her a sweet reprieve from her rigorous life. Similarly, Bruce Springsteen's cherished foods, including hamburgers and New York-style pizza, mirrored his working-class roots and conjured nostalgic memories of his New Jersey upbringing. George Michael gravitated towards comforting dishes like lamb and pasta, providing him a sense of home as he traveled. This highlights the crucial role of well-prepared meals in his life. Billy Joel's fondness for Italian cuisine, particularly pasta, calls to mind family gatherings and the lively ambience of Italian restaurants from his childhood on Long Island. Lionel Richie also found joy in Southern comfort food, particularly fried chicken and barbecue, which remind him of heartwarming family gatherings in Alabama. David Bowie's culinary interests were diverse, embracing Japanese cuisine like sushi and tempura that complemented his creative spirit, alongside traditional dishes like shepherd's pie prepared by his wife. On another note, Stevie Nicks favored vibrant Mexican cuisine, indulging in tacos and enchiladas that resonated with her dynamic lifestyle. Her love for sushi mirrored her appreciation for fresh, healthy food. In alignment with his Italian-American roots, Jon Bon Jovi took pleasure in hearty foods such as pasta and meatballs while also relishing sushi as a lighter alternative to balance his diet. Janet Jackson's vibrant personality was evident in her preference for bold Mexican flavors. Along with that, she enjoyed sweet treats like caramel apples and opted for healthier choices like grilled fish. Phil Collins demonstrated a penchant for classic comfort foods, revealing his deep appreciation for traditional tastes. His favorites included chocolate, harmonizing well with his love for savory dishes. Paula Abdul's culinary inclinations spanned Mexican cuisine and sushi, reflecting her energetic personality and bustling lifestyle. She valued the vibrant flavors and health advantages these dishes provided. Both artists relay their culinary preferences through iconic comfort foods, such as chocolate cake for Paula and pizza for Axl Rose, showcasing their lifestyles and personal tastes. Sushi remains a favorite option for its light and healthy attributes, featuring fresh fish and vegetables that contribute to a well-rounded diet. Its artistic presentation enhances the overall dining experience. Similarly, Mexican cuisine stands out with its bold flavors and festive nature, making it a perfect match for Rick's vibrant personality. Dishes like tacos and enchiladas align seamlessly with his active lifestyle. Lastly, Lars Ulrich from Metallica shares a preference for Mexican food, delighting in rich flavors and nutritious benefits. His diet also incorporates oat pancakes to fuel his demanding performances.